Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and become a socialite. So Rare Beauty has released body care. They have a fragrance mist, they have lotion, hand cream, and they even have like an aromatherapy pen. So I was able to pick up most of the line for a full review. Before we get started in the video, it's still Vlogmas, you guys. Sorry, I've been gone. I was gone for a few days. I missed the last 3 days of Vlogmas. Started off with a little headache and then I just got super behind. But I'm back, so let's unlock day 23 and 24 in our advent calendar. And then tomorrow's video we'll do 25 in the bonus. Y'all, this advent calendar is all kinds of raggedy at this point. So 23 is here. Okay, that was a little difficult to pull out. So we have a little micro mini Laura Mercier translucent loose powder. So this is cool. It's going to be perfect for travel. And 24 is here. So we got a Sol de Janeiro product. We have Sol de Janeiro Rio Radiance Solar Tuberose Perfume Mist. You guys, this smells amazing. I just picked it up the other day because it was one of AJ's Christmas gifts. She loves Sol de Janeiro. She's obsessed. And this was, but the bigger size was one of her Christmas gifts. So she's gonna love this. I'm gonna go ahead and pass it along to her, although this smells amazing. I actually might keep it for myself. I don't know, but it smells amazing. If you've smelled this before, comment down below and let me know, because this is one of my favorite ones out that I've smelled so far from Sol de Janeiro. So Rare Beauty has launched a body care line called the Fine Comfort line. And the line consists of the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. They came out with a hair and body fragrance mist and a Stop and Soothe Aromatherapy Pen. So let's talk about the Aromatherapy Pen. This one was the most unique product that I saw. The line also came with one other product that was a hand cream, and I felt like it might be similar to the body lotion, so I just stuck with the body lotion. But this aromatherapy pen is interesting. I've never bought something like this before. It is fragrant like the other products within the line, and it's definitely aromatherapy. It retails for $20 and you get 5 mils of product within the pen. Now this is very aromatic and quite fragrant. It does have sort of pepperminty notes. It has peppermint and lavender in it, and I would say that there's an equal amount of peppermint and lavender. The peppermint is quite strong. It actually pumps from the bottom. You just pump the pen. You see how it came out? You just pump the pen up and it comes out through the top. You only need 1 pump or less than that. And they recommend that you put it behind your neck or behind your ear or your temples or something like that. And it's supposed to be soothing and calming, and it does give that. But there's a ton of peppermint in here. So it does give that sort of strong minty menthol type of feel and smell. So when I applied it to the neck the first time I wore it, I could feel that sort of, it's strong. So you want to say soothing, but it's almost, for me personally, it was almost like a light burn. And I feel like I felt that all night long. I think I applied it around maybe 9 or 10 o'clock at night, and I literally felt that on my neck until the next day. The smell was quite strong to me. It's minty and lavender. So if you're a person that doesn't mesh well with the scent of lavender, this may not be for you, but it just gives those sort of soothing spa vibes. Very aromatic. Like it's something that's either going to clear your sinuses or stuff your sinuses, if you get what I'm saying. It is this rubbery type tip to it, so it does feel comfortable on the skin. If you're not going to apply it to the finger and put it where it goes, you can just apply it directly to the skin, and it is very comfortable. Next up is the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Lotion. This is the body lotion. You do get 8.45 mils of product in here, and it retails for $28. So I have used this a couple times already, and it does smell similar to the aromatherapy pen, but it's not as aromatic as the pen because this doesn't really have that peppermint in there to make it like that strong aromatic aromatic, clear your sinuses type of situation. This one's a little bit lighter. It's very fragrant though. Like you can really smell this. It has a distinct scent. It's sort of citrusy at the top, and then it gets a bit floral, and then there's woody undertones in here as well. So the lotion does have notes of lemon zest and rhubarb at the top. In the middle, it does have jasmine petals and violet. It actually has black tea in it also, and as it dries down, you get cashmere wood, vetiver, and tonka bean. So that's that woody undertone that I get from it. It is a pleasant smell. It gives almost like luxury spa vibes. Again, if you're somebody that doesn't really vibe with jasmine, this won't be for you because it has a distinct jasmine scent to it. Although the woody notes does make it a little bit more well-rounded, it meshes well together in my opinion. Now, this is a lotion that's like if we're talking about moisture level, I would say it's like a medium moisture level. So this isn't one that you're going to get like that luscious body cream feel. It's just more of like a medium moisture type of situation. And I do like the packaging, all of them. I love the color of it. I love how it feels, like that soft matte texture to it. But typically with Rare Beauty, whatever they come out with, the packaging is always sort of chic and cute. So this is what it looks like. It does blend out quite easily and it's not sticky. So this is one that probably would be ideal for bed because it does have those sort of calming jasmine and soft woodsy scent to it that's slightly sweet. So this isn't one like, let's say the Fenty body cream that's super thick, and that one kind of gets on my sheets. You know what I mean? After wearing it for nights, it's so thick that, you know, it kind of gets on your sheets. This one just sort of blends in. It moisturizes the skin well, but it's non-sticky and it's not going to leave like that shine like the super hydrating thick body butters or anything like that. Smells very pleasant and spa-like. In my opinion, this is something that a man or a woman can wear. The woodsy notes gives it like a soft masculine. I'm not even going to say masculine. The woodsy notes makes it, to me, safe for a man to wear where it doesn't smell feminine, but it also smells really great on a woman and woman-like as well if a woman were to wear it. So I would say it's straight down the line a unisex scent to it. Very pleasant in looks. Now the body spray. The body spray has the same notes as the lotion actually. So as you can see, it's a very soft mist. If you guys can see how it looks, it's a super soft mist. Now in the spray, you get more citrus at the top. You smell the citrus, which comes from lemon. You smell that lemon note a little bit more than you do in the lotion. And you definitely get lavender. The lavender is not as strong in the fragrance as it is in the lotion. It's a softer lavender, and then you have those woody dry down notes as well. It gives luxury spa undertone of sweetness in there. The spray is actually supposed to be a hair and body spray that's supposed to leave your body and your face softer. Has niacinamide in it, so it's supposed to like soften the hair and the skin. I think it does that. I wouldn't say soften like as a lotion, but when you put it on your skin, it does feel like really kind of soft, almost like you put maybe like a light moisturizer on your skin. And it's very pleasant. But like I said, you get more of the citrus with the spray than you do with the lotion. And I would say that this is something that a man could wear as well. It's on the softer side. I wouldn't say that the fragrance is like straight up and down unisex, but it's leaning unisex. So definitely safe for a man to wear and perfect for a woman as well. Overall, if I was to describe the whole line, I would say that it is a unisex line, although it's not masculine as well. I almost hate to say unisex because I'm not really a unisex type of girly. I like straight up feminine fragrances, but this gives sort of spa-like, a little undertone of woodsy. And because of that, I don't think you could label that as like female or male. So it's just clean. It's very clean, fresh, jasmine-y, and woodsy. A little citrusy at the top. That's how I would describe it. But I would say that it's a unisex body care line that's very fresh, clean, and aromatic. Also that it gives luxe vibes. Comment down below. Let me know if you've tried any of the Rare Beauty body care yet, or are you interested in getting it? All the products that I mentioned today will be linked down below in the description box, including the makeup look that I'm wearing today, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video.
'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.